The Asia's largest Catholic church. It was built in 1575, the Taal Basilica, Basilica of Saint Martin de Tours. It is located at Taal, Batangas, and on 1754, biggest recorded eruption of the Taal volcano, the Taal Basilica destroyed, and on 1758, it was reconstructed. It has 157 feet wide. This is a perfect venue for church wedding. It's known for its long aisle. Sobrang ma-enjoy ng bride ang moment ng paglalakad niya sa aisle dahil sa napakahabang aisle neto. Perfect for church wedding talaga. It was known as the largest Catholic church in Asia. At aside sa pinakamagandang history ng Taal Basilica, ito din ay matibay at gawa ito sa bato. Sobrang ma-appreciate nyo talaga ang ganda at ang history ng Taal Basilica. Kaya ngayong summer, isama nyo na to sa list sa mga pupuntahan nyo. Kaya pumunta na sa Taal Basilica, Basilica of Saint Martin de Tours, the Asia's largest Catholic church.